Hi, look what I made. I made this so that I can turn the lights on and off by clicking on it. I can turn my air conditioner, which doesn't have the cover on it, on and off from my computer. I can turn this heater, which is on the bed. I'm gonna take it off soon. I can turn it on and off from my computer wirelessly. There's what it looks like. There's more stuff, and there's some more stuff. I'm going to turn this stuff on and off from my computer. There's the air conditioner, there's the heater, and there's the light. I'm gonna click it and watch what happens. AC on. Light off. And the heater on. You can see that little red light on it. And it's blowing out heat. I'm gonna click off so you can hear the AC turn off. Light on and go. It's on. Yay. It worked. The heater's light's on. Now if I click heat off, it turns off. It works. That's so cool. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about it or how it works or whatever, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, check out some of my other videos too. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Bye.